Told you people, 10 years I will be online puncturing all your lies with facts, evidence, and logic truth. 1 year ago when I started, some of you think that by now I would have faded off. Now, you are now going up and down saying that they pay us. People are seeing the videos that nobody can pay me. It's just out of passion. Just the same way Jesus Christ saw the people as a sheep without shepherd. That's how I saw you people. I felt the importance to liberate my people. But I'm not going to stop. I've given myself 10 years. Watch out this post. In the second standard where it says, Southern and Ikwerre Igbos. Check it out. Ikwerre are registered as of 1921 as Igbo speaking areas. Pause it and read it. Pause it and read it. You can screenshot and keep it on your phone. Read it. I'll be come here with fact and evidence. I know they do video website, you go explain tire. I come with fact and evidence to counter all your lies. As of 1921, Ikwerre was recognized as an Igbo speaking area. Check the next standard. IR3. Eka and Kwale. Eka Agbo. Kwale in Ukwuani are recognized as Igbo. Manebia. It's him. Every Igbo. You are trying to force us. I said it time with time number. 3 illiterates I'm dealing with in this my Igbo unification movement. The illiterates are those who doesn't know the difference between state and tribe. Like those state now that has Yoruba, has Egala, has Igbo, has Ishan, has Benin, but one person will come and claim Edo State is Benin. Those are the illiterate I'm dealing with. Even the same thing with so-called Igbo people in Delta State. You don't know that state is not a tribe. And from Ukwuani, and inside Ukwuani, we have different villages. Like on Uchubo, like Iseluku. Inside on Uchubo, we have different quarters, different Obwe. Amumo Shomi, and Wobaku. The same thing as we are Ukwuani here, as we are Ika, as we are Ukwuani. You are just a clan, an ethnic group to the Igbo family. That does not mean that because your clan is called the Ukwuani that they are not Igbo. But look at it. You are registered as Kwale region, as Igbo speaking area. And then the other place gonna claim no have one Igbo. 1921, your fathers know. The second of the people I'm dealing with are those who doesn't know the difference between language and dialect. That you are speaking a dialect does not mean that you are not speaking an Igbo language. If you start saying that Eka is Eka, Agbo speak Agbo, that Agbo is not Igbo, then Nsukka can say Nsukka is Nsukka, Nsukka does not. Do you know that we in Ukwuani are speaking more clear Igbos than those in some part of Southeast? Ndị mmadụ ga n'ife na-asụ azụ onye Ukwuani, onye Onchugbo, mana ị ga n'ife onye Ngwa na-asụ, ị ga n'ife onye Abakaliki na-asụ. Because that Igbo is conked. Deep-rooted in tongue twist. But they were accept that we're able. You that their own is even clear. And I say Igbo. These are the illiterate I'm dealing with in the 21st century. Another illiterate are those who doesn't know the difference between migration and descendants. English na ya mate. See, if I am a descendant of Benin, then I did not migrate from Benin. It only means that Benin expanded their territory. Even the Benin people doesn't even know the English they are speaking. Because if you say I'm a descendant, it means that Benin I did not migrate. I expanded my territory. Benin expanded their territory. That means here is Benin land. That's what it means. When our Gabia claim here, no. They just want to praise supremacy. Those who call you slave are turning back to call you a descendant and you are accepting those lies. These are illiterate are doing. And I can tell you for free, anybody who believes this lie can equally believe all this other lie I'm going to be telling you. Yes, now. Not be here they tell us, say, if shit they worry, you should rub spit on your abdomen, it will stop. Make purge hold you, make you try whether it will stop. But you believe those lies, that is why you believe the lie that you are not Igbo. Now here they tell you, say, if your teeth fall out, close your eye, throw it over the zinc. If you not try, you not go grow. It dey work. The kind of lies that your forefather tells you If you sneeze, that means somebody they think about you. You know, say by now, Tinubu for don't die with sneeze. You know how many people they think about Tinubu? If for them they do say, is it a lie? But all of you believe this lie. People are not like us are trying to tell you what is obtainable in the 21st century. You are saying we are trying to drag you. If you don't know, the world is moving faster than you can think. In the next generation, what I'm telling you now will be a reference point for history, not the books you are reading. How many people are still reading diary? Diary is fed up. How many people are still using post office, stamp, letter? How many people are still doing it? Things are moving faster. That is why you need to understand the era we are. That we are in the generation where we question things and change the narrative. I'm out of here, Joe.